Let's learn the Croatian accusative case feminine singular. Why does knjiga book become knjigu? The nominative, the subject, knjiga, changes to knjigu, the accusative. Simply the feminine a ending changes to u. Pizza changes to pizzu. Kava, coffee, changes to kavu. Imam, I have. Imam, knjigu, I have a book. Volim, I love. Volim pizzu, I love pizza. Želim, I want. Želim kavu, I want a coffee. Jabuka, jabuku. Imam jabuku, I have an apple. Želim jabuku, I want an apple. Volim mačku, I love the cat. Imam mačku, I have a cat. Kuća, kuću, house. Imam kuću, I have a house. Volim kuću, I love the house. Today you've learned how to use 3 useful Croatian verbs. Imam, I have. Volim, I love. Želim, I want. Feminine nouns ending in a usually change to u. Knjiga, knjigu, kava, kavu, pizza, pizzu. In the next lesson, we'll continue with the accusative case. Take the plunge, like and subscribe.